We guide you through how to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone in the easiest and most complete way possible. Start by placing both iPhones side by side, turning on the new iPhone and stopping when you reach the quick start screen. On your old iPhone, a pop-up will appear, tap continue, then scan the blue animation shown on the new device. Next, enter your old iPhone's passcode on the new one and choose transfer from iPhone. Keep both devices connected to Wi-Fi and plug in into power so the transfer doesn't stop. Your app, photos, messages, settings, and even your home screen layout will begin copying over, depending on how much data you have. This process can take a few minutes up to an hour, so just leave both phones close together until it finishes. Once the new iPhone restarts and shows the home screen, your transfer is complete. Everything from your old iPhone is now on your new one, exactly the way you left it.